Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we're going to do an unboxing. First thing we're going to do is we're going to unbox a set of shoe trees, and this is because this is my second set of shoes from this brand, and so the first one did not come with shoe trees, and now look at that. They have their very own shoe trees. I'm super excited. These are really nice trees. And so they've got a little varnish on them. I know people have mixed feelings about getting trees with the varnish on them. I happen to like that. I think it's a really good look for them. So I'm going to go ahead and put these shoes, or these trees, into the shoes. And super excited with the way these look. And they feel they're very heavy, which I happen to like. I have travel shoe trees for when I travel. So, pretty excited about that. So, putting those aside, let's talk about the new shoes that arrived. And this is from Cru Nonpareil, or Parel, excuse me, not Parel. And stepping away from uncomfortable dress shoes and stepping into a variety of comfortable dress shoes. The frustration in your face. Now, I haven't announced this before, but I'm actually starting a focus of my collection into new types of shell Cordovan. And so with these pair, I'm actually striking out to try to get one pair of shell Cordovan from every tannery in the world. And this is beautiful blue shell Cordovan are my first pair from Maryem, the tannery in Italy. And this is something else. Look at these. This is just so cool. Look at that, the bottom. So now, I thought I had actually changed the color away from orange for the interior, but these have an orange lining, and then blue exterior, and then this beautiful red sole, and same toe plates that I had before. So really good look there. And then, as we look, red, again the orange. Now the orange is actually a different kind of leather than the other ones. Now this blue looks like it was dyed. If you look at this, there's actually dye on here. So it looks like they dyed the shell Cordovan blue, which is unusual. Certainly not something you usually see. Usually shell is not dyed in the factory. But what a gorgeous chuck-a-boot. So really looking forward to wearing these. Very excited about it. And this is just a short unboxing because I really just want to get these things on and see how they feel. So thanks for watching. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and I'm out.